Oh, I hate allergies. Mother Nature is a whore!
I know people say this all the time, but Stephen King is a damn good author. Seriously, the man must be an angel. Or a demon, I guess? I'm not sure how that works.
And I hate Fred, too. He's not even funny. Why the hell is he #1 most subscribed? Fuck Fred.
Of course, if all these horror stories are derived from Stephen King's thoughts, then he is one sick, twisted individual.
I hope Fred dies in an earthquake.
You know, they say sneezing is the second biggest orgasm a person can have.
Why would you say that to me?
Well, I don't know. I thought it was interesting.
No, it's just creepy.
Okay, fine. Sorry.
How'd you even find that out? Would you Google sneezing orgasms?
No!
God, what were the image results like?
Look, it's just something I heard one time, okay?
So what's the first biggest orgasm a person can have?
Isn't that obvious?
I know what it is. I'm just kidding.
Oh, okay.
It's sex.
Yep, that's what it is.
So what comes after sneezing?
What?
What's the third most orgasmic thing?
What difference does it make?
Oh, I know what it is. You know when you wake up in the morning and you gotta take a major pee? You just woke up from a dream where you gotta take a major pee. You get up, you're like, you run to the bathroom, feels like you have kidney stones. You get there, and it's just like, yeah. Yeah, that's gotta be it. That's almost as good as sneezing.
Okay, and back to my book.
So, if you were to have sex and sneeze at the same time, would that just be like the ultimate?
I don't know.
Yeah, of course you don't know.
Well, what the hell is that supposed to mean?
It'd be like, achoo! Oh, money shot in your face.
Oh, God, you know why you have allergies? Look how dusty this book is. In fact, all the books on your bookshelf are dusty.
Yeah, that's 'cause I don't read them. Duh.
You are a moron.
Was it good for you too?
Oh, you sick bastard.